Hello, my dear friends. I am going to tell you Level 7 Microsoft Word-based question with answer. So please watch this video until the end. 1. Which option of Review tab is used for find the synonym and antonym of selected word? Answer: through the Thesaurus option. 2. What is the shortcut key to count word in Microsoft Word? Answer: Control plus Shift plus G button. 3. Which option is used for find what changes has been made with document at the current time? Answer: track change. 4. What is the shortcut key of track change? Answer: Control plus Shift plus a button. 5. By default, Microsoft Word opened in which view? Answer: Print layout view. 6. What is the shortcut key to joint break table into one part? Answer: Alt button plus Shift plus up arrow. 7. How to select paragraph through keyboard? Answer: Mouse triple click on paragraph. 8. What is the shortcut key to paste copied data? Answer: Control plus V button or Shift plus Enter key. 9. What is the shortcut key of copied selected data? Answer: Control plus C button or Control plus Insert key. 10. What is the shortcut key for insert date in Microsoft Word? Answer: Alt plus Shift plus D button. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share it.